Hi everyone! So, ito ako yung nagpo-practice ng piano. Kahit na first time ko lang, tinatry ko siya mag-play ng Christian song. At expect nyo po na hindi po ako bihasa. Ayun, so, I love piano na ngayon. Dati kasi, sabi ko, paano ba ang piano? Parang ang hirap, no? So, chords. Dapat natin pag-aralan. So, Goodness of God, ang first song na gusto kong itry na i-play. So, pasensya na, hindi pa ako talaga magaling. Dahil nag-aaral pa lang po ako. So, I love you, Lord. First. Ito. I love you, Lord. All your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up till I lay my head, and I will sing of the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, and I will sing of the goodness of God. And I will sing of the goodness of God. Nagtawid din. Thank you for watching.